Good morning, doll. I loved reading your piece, Fools and Small Children's, and I really enjoyed hearing about your trip as a hero. So, congrats on that. That was awesome being at the right place at the right time. As I read through, especially in this third paragraph where I've highlighted, I really loved your descriptive language in this paragraph, and it really made me feel like I was at the garden with you walking through and looking around as you described it. Especially in this sentence, but that I highlighted, but by the landscaping with the hedges and small ponds covered in lily pads and ancient oaks and dazzling flower gardens and just beauty as far as the eyes could see. It really made me feel like I said, I really was just looking around at all of this stuff in my head. So good job with that. So you had a lot of detail at the beginning of the narrative that was really drawing me into the setting of the story and wanted me to know, okay, what's going to happen in this garden. And then we got to the climax, and I feel as though you did a great job with the descriptive in the first half, and that's where I made this note here. But when we actually got to the climax of the story, you saving the little boy, I wrote here that I feel as though the details kind of stopped, and it just seemed really rushed to me. Like, it was like, okay, this big event happened, now let's get to the end. I wonder how we could pull that same detail from the beginning of your writing piece throughout and into the end of your piece. Reading further down at the very end, I loved the comic relief, how you were this big hero, but still people were like, don't really want to sit by you, you're kind of smell really bad. But I also thought it was just like a lot of words. I think it definitely needs to be in your piece. I just feel like it was maybe a lot of words, so I wonder how we can get that same comic relief in less amount of words and not as much reading, make the reader laugh, but not make them work as hard for it. So maybe just something to think about. But again, I loved reading your piece, and I loved the detail at the beginning. So good job.